Just getting into sewing but are overwhelmed by all the different fabric options, this video will go over what I consider to be the top beginner-friendly fabrics. Number 1 is quilter's cotton. As stated by the name, this one is popular with quilters and is easy to be dazzled by all the cute prints and colors available. It's great for quilting, craft projects, and lightweight garments that don't require a soft drape or a lot of structure. It has a lot of variety, doesn't stretch or slip, making it easy to cut and sew. It does fray though, so finish those raw edges. Number 2 is flannel. Flannel also comes in a lot of cute prints and colors, plus it has a softer texture compared to quilter's cotton. It's the perfect fabric for pajamas, baby quilts, and any project where softness is key. Like quilter's cotton, it's easy to cut and sew, doesn't stretch or slip, but both fabrics can shrink when washed, so be sure to pre-treat it before working with it. It also frays a lot like most woven fabrics. Number 3 is for those people who want to dip their toes into working with stretchy fabrics. It's Interlock Knit. It can be used to make t-shirt knits, knit dresses, and baby knit items like onesies. This fabric can be a solid and also comes in fun prints as well. When it comes to stretchy fabrics, this one is probably the easiest one to work with because it doesn't roll and is stable enough that it's fairly easy to cut and sew without wavy seams. Plus, it doesn't fray, but should still be pre-treated before working with it. Number 4 is for those who want to use a more apparel type fabric. Poplin is a fabric that I really like to use. It's like a more stable version of quilter's cotton, so it has all the benefits of that fabric but a little thicker and has a better drape. It's great for skirts, especially circle skirts, slacks, and business wear type jackets. Because of its stability, it's easy to work with, but it's more common to find in solid colors, although you might be able to find cute prints online. Number 5 is shirting. This fabric is also found in the apparel section. Its lighter weight makes it appropriate for making shirts like the button-down kind. Check the fabric content because some might be a cotton and some might be a cotton blend. The latter is less likely to wrinkle, but it's still considered a woven fabric, so it doesn't stretch and will need some kind of a fastener. And finally, number 6 is for those who want a fabric that's still easy to work with, but a little dressier. Cotton voile is a great option. It's lightweight with a slight gauzy texture that is perfect for blouses and summer dresses. It's also good for making drapery and easier to work with than sheer fabric like chiffon. And unlike chiffon, it's not slippery, making it a dream to cut and sew, plus can come in a variety of prints and colors. It can be slightly sheer, so make sure to keep that in mind. Those are my recommendations of fabrics that are perfect for beginner sewers. If you have an easy fabric that you love to use, let us know in the comments. Our book, Professor Pincushion's Beginner Guide to Sewing, Garment Making for Nervous Newbies, is now available to order. Go to professorpincushion.com/books or click on the link in the description to see a list of vendors where you can purchase it.